Student Council Committee of School, I, Amol Pagare, would like to congratulate all of you on behalf of our school principal, Mr. Mukund Ingle sir. With the prior permission of our school principal, sir, I am going to start this program. Now, I would request to the parent of Karthik Suryavanshi, prefect of Yellow House, to honor Karthik by giving sachet of Yellow House prefect. Please, parent of Karthik Suryavanshi. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Congratulations, Karthik. Now I would request to parents of Arya Mittal, vice prefect of Yellow House, to honor Arya by giving sachet of Yellow House vice prefect. Now, I would request to the parents of Divyam Patil, second vice prefect of Yellow House, to honor Divyam by giving sachet of Yellow House vice prefect. Please, parents. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request to the parent of Samyak Jain, prefect of Greenhouse, to honor Samyak by giving sachet of Greenhouse prefect. The parents of Samyak Jain. Now I would request to parents of Priyansh Patel, vice prefect of Greenhouse, to honor Priyansh by giving sachet of Greenhouse vice prefect. Okay, now I would like to request to the parents of Pratik Sonavne, vice prefect of Greenhouse, to honor Pratik by giving sachet of Greenhouse vice prefect. Now I would request to the parents of Kshitij Patil, prefect of Blue House, to honor Kshitij by giving sachet of Blue House prefect. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now I would request to the parents of Atharva Gawande, vice prefect of Blue House, to honor Atharva by giving sachet of Blue House vice prefect. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now I would request to the parents of Rishikesh Pawar, vice prefect of Blue House, to honor Rishikesh by giving sachet of Blue House vice prefect. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now I would request to the parents of Tanay Kulkarni, Prefect of Red House, to honor Tanay by giving sachet of Red House Prefect. Hello Tanay. Tanay, please on your video.
Hello, sir.
Tanay, is there your parents?
Yes, sir, but I didn't get sachet, sir, because I was out of station.
Okay, we'd like to clap for him. Okay, congratulations Tanay.
Thank you, sir.
Now I would request to the parents of Yatharth Sharma, Vice Prefect of Red House, to honor Yatharth by giving sachet of Red House Vice Prefect. Respected parents of Yatharth Sharma. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request to the parents of Nisarga Padvi, Vice Prefect of Red House, to honor Nisarga by giving sachet of Red House Vice Prefect. Now I would request to the parents of Jui Patil, Literary Captain of School, to honor Jui by giving sachet of Literary Captain of School. Okay, now I would request to the parents of Moksha Jain, Literary Vice Prefect Captain, Vice Captain of School, to honor Moksha by giving sachet of Literary Vice Captain of School. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now I would request to the parents of Anushka Valvi, Literary Vice Captain of School, to honor Anushka by giving sachet of Literary Vice Captain of School. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now I would request to the parents of Utsav Jain, Sports Captain of School, to honor Utsav by giving sachet of Sports Captain of School.
में बैठ गया हिंदू कब गए
Hello. Children, please join Vivo. Okay, with Utsav. Okay, now I would request to the parents of Utsav Jain, Sports Captain of School, to honor by Utsav giving sachet of Sports Captain of School. Congratulations, Utsav. Now I would request to the parents of Ram Khandelwal, Sports Vice Captain of School, to honor Ram by giving sachet of Sports Vice Captain of School. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Now I would request to the parents of Rudra Dave, Sports Vice Captain of School, to honor Rudra by giving sachet of Sports Vice Captain of School. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request to the parents of Atharva Pathak, school head boy, to honor Atharva by giving sachet of school head boy. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request to the parents of Aditi Shinde, school head girl, to honor Aditi by giving sachet of school head girl. Thank you, ma'am. Is there Jui? Is there Arya? Arya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I would request to the parents of Arya Mittal, Vice Prefect of Yellow House, to honor Arya by giving sachet of Yellow House Vice Prefect. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Pratik Sonavne. Hello. Is there Pratik Sonavne? Samyak Jain. Priyansh Patel. Nisarga Padvi. Hello. Hello. Children, who is left out? Who is left? Okay, now I would like to call our school principal, Mr. Mukund Inglesar, to conduct oath ceremony and guide all of us on this grateful occasion. Sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to request all the council members to stand in oath position. You have to repeat after me. You have to unmute yourself also so that your oath should be audible. Ask all the members around you to be keep mum. Okay, repeat after me. I promise
I promise. I promise.
I promise.
I will serve
I will serve
I will serve
my fellow students
my fellow students
fellow students
and school sincerely.
and school sincerely.
and school sincerely.
I will endeavor
I will endeavor
Will endeavor
to be a perfect
to be a perfect
perfect
role model of discipline
role model of discipline.
role model of discipline.
I will actively
I will actively
Will actively
take part in school activities
take part in school activities
take part in school activities
and bring
and bring
and bring
glory to it
glory to it
as
as
the council member of the school,
The council member of school.
council member of the school,
I will
I will
I will
uphold
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 loyalty
loyalty
to the
the
to the
traditions
tradition
and ethos
traditions
and
and
ethos
ethos
of this school.
ethos.
of the school.
the school.
Amen.
Amen.
You
Amen.
can sit down. Now, I hope you understand the meaning of this oath that you have taken. I know there will be lots of questions in your mind. The school is not running physically. So why this investiture ceremony? Why this formation of council members? But keep in the mind, in this pandemic situation also,
Literary captain.
we need to learn how to convert this challenge into the opportunities. In this period, we have learned lots of new things. We were just talked about those things previously, but now during this situation, those things have turned reality. Now, within the next 1 month or maybe 15 days, government has said that they would be starting the school. So we thought about having the council members before that only, so that you will be trained how to behave as soon as the school starts physically, and not only behave, even how to make the other students behave properly. Because as the council member of year 2020-21, I would like to tell you that your role is going to be quite different as well as challenging. But I am confident also you are going to play your role very sincerely and honestly. Because keep in the mind, a person who will come out with this situation, he will be growing definitely stronger, and that situation will definitely help you for your future too. So I would like to congratulate all the members, but at the same time, I would like to wish best luck also. Because as I said, your role is going to be completely different than the previous council members, right? So I would like to tell you that in next 1 week, we'll be planning the virtual meeting of all the council members, and we'll be planning out how the school should run, which are the things we should take care about that. So I would like to tell all the members from head boy to the even prefect and vice prefect to be handy with your plan, be handy with your suggestions, so that when we'll have the virtual meeting, your suggestion will be accepted and appreciated. And definitely within next 15-20 days or maybe in 1 month, when we'll start our school physically, we'll be ready with our action plan, right? I would like to extend my gratitude to all the parents also. Those who could not make this investiture ceremony, I'll ask my sport teacher to call them and ask to send the photographs too. They must have not joined due to some connectivity issue or something, but definitely they are the part of our investiture ceremony. So we'll ask them to send the photographs, right? So thank you, students. Thank you, parents, once again. And congratulations to you for being the council members of PIS Nandurbar for the year 2020-21. Thank you and happy Independence Day. Take care. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Now, at last, I express my sincere gratitude towards all the school dignitaries, parents, and students for your valuable virtual presence and support for making this program successful. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home, and stay healthy. Thank you. Hello.